Raindrops on rotors and blisters on fingers, using the sunshine for as long as it lingers. Prop guards and lenses and all that they bring, I can't decide on my favorite thing. Dark, gloomy tunnels with hundreds of midges, flying over castles and under canal bridges, orbits and rockets and spreading my wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Water in quarries and also in rivers, sometimes they bring me a spine full of shivers. Cameras and gimbals and flying through swings, these are a few of my favorite things. I'll fly through gaps because they're inviting. Often a near miss can make it exciting. Quick shots and waypoints and flying through rings, these are some more of my favorite things. Courtyards and mansions and gardens of flowers, churches and graveyards, monuments and towers, bike rides on towpaths and also on moorland, walking in kayaks and driving my Elgrand. Here's just a sample of some of my stuff. I hope that you like it, and it was enough to convince you to visit and check out some more. And come along with me on my next explore.